The issue of rape laws and their inadequate enforcement is a critical and widespread global problem affecting women, reflecting deep-seated societal, institutional, and cultural challenges. Here is a structured analysis of the key dimensions of this inadequacy. 1. The legal enforcement gap. Most countries have laws criminalizing rape and sexual assault. However, a profound gap exists between the statute books and reality. This gap is characterized by survivors often cite fear of not being believed, societal stigma, traumatic legal processes, and fear of retaliation as reasons. Low arrest and prosecution rates of the cases that are reported. A small fraction lead to arrest, and even fewer result in prosecution and conviction. Cases often fall apart due to perceived lack of evidence or credibility challenges. High attrition rates. Cases are frequently lost at various stages. Police may not file charges. Prosecutors may drop cases or judges may acquit due to narrow interpretations of the law. 2. Root causes of inadequate enforcement. Marital rape exemptions or weak laws. In some jurisdictions, marital rape is not a crime, is a lesser offense, or has higher burdens of proof, treating a spouse's body as perpetually available for consent. Shift blame from the perpetrator. Preservation of honor. In some cultures, the family or community's honor is tied to the sexual purity of women, leading to pressure to silence survivors or even to violent honor crimes. Distrust of certain groups, survivors from marginalized communities, racial, ethnic minorities, LGBTQ+ individuals, sex workers, migrants, disabled women face compounded discrimination and are even less likely to be taken seriously by authorities. Perpetrator protection. When the accused is influential, wealthy, or holds a position of authority, systems often rally to protect him, discredit the survivor, and avoid scandal. 3. Secondary trauma for survivors. The legal process itself becomes a source of re-victimization, discouraging others from coming forward. Erosion of public trust. When justice systems fail survivors, public confidence in the rule of law and state institutions erodes. Legal reform. Modernizing laws to have consent-based definitions of rape, explicitly criminalizing marital rape, and eliminating statutes of limitations. Institutional reform. Mandating specialized trauma-informed training for all actors in the justice system. Establishing dedicated sexual assault units. Eliminating rape kit backlogs. Data collection and transparency. Governments must collect and publish data on reporting, prosecution, and conviction rates to measure progress and accountability. The inadequacy of rape law enforcement is not a failure of law alone, but a failure of society's commitment to gender equality and justice. It represents a systemic tolerance for violence against women. While strong laws are a necessary foundation, true progress requires dismantling the patriarchal norms. The measure of a justice system is not the severity of its written penalties, but its ability to deliver justice and safety to the most vulnerable.